In this video, I will show you how to hide apps on Android. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on the home screen of my Android phone. Now, what I'm going to be doing, you can see I've got Clash of Clans here. So this is the app I'm going to be showing you how to hide today. However, the steps are the same to hide any apps on your device. So what you're going to want to do from your home screen is actually press and hold anywhere on the home screen, and you're going to see the screen is going to change to this. Then what you need to do is come down and press on settings in the bottom right hand corner. From here, this is going to take you to your home screen settings, and from here, if you just scroll up slightly, you're going to see an option which says hide apps on home and app screens. So what you want to do is press onto this. And what it's going to do is bring up all your current apps. So of course it's Clash of Clans. So I'm going to just locate this, which is here, and then just press to select it. And what you can do is select some other apps if you want to do that too. But once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom and press done. It's going to take you back to the settings. And then if we come back to our home screen, you'll see that's now disappeared. I can also go into the apps, and as you can see, Clash of Clans is not showing as well. Now to go ahead and unhide apps, the process is the same. So what you would do is press and long hold onto your home screen, come into settings, go back into the hide apps on home and app screens option, and you can see it's here. Just go ahead and press the minus button in the hidden app section. That's going to go ahead and unhide it. So that is how to hide apps on Android. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.